Hello all, my name is Ty Douglas and today I'll be presenting my Data Visualization 625 Unit 5 Tableau Recommender System presentation on our warm, hearty winter companion soup as my champion product, based on the last 4 digits of my telephone number from the UMGC designated breadbasket bakery dataset, along with its complementary confidence support and association rule outputs. The dataset itself is a popularly purposed analytical dataset based on a real-world bakery located in Scotland, which tracks the yearly span of individual consumer purchasing trends in an effort to discover within these trends how past purchases could be translated into future product sales. My first visualization from the dataset represents a depiction of the actual soup sales with specificity given to the time of day when each transaction occurred. We can see here, for instance, that between noon and 3 p.m. or around lunchtime is when most of these soup sale transactions are prevalent. And while contrasting the relationship between soup and other more sought-after products within the bakery's offerings might make it seem as though our savory delight isn't as marketable as those more prominent in sales, the strength of buying power within our prized soup product lies within its connection and companionship to those products. Here's why. And looking at the most prominent product sales within our bakery's data, namely coffee, bread, tea, muffins, and cake, just to name a few, we can quickly gauge the fact that these buying trends, coupled with their sale time spans, help us correlate antecedent and consequent consumer buying trends that could easily translate into soup sales. For instance, in metricizing companion sales and daily purchasing trend charts for the buying power of, let's say, a cake or a sandwich, we could see that there is a strong correlation here between their antecedent and consequent relationships toward the likelihood that a consumer will also purchase soup, such as in having a lunchtime nosh of soup with your favorite sandwich or tasty cake. And finally, in assessing lift and rule metrics, we better gauge the cohesion between which companion products translate into the purchasing power of soup sales, as lift target values are powerful contextual triggers for soup purchases. To find our best recommender strategies, then, we've accounted for each of its confidence rules against its lift with soup-specific confidence values confirmed by their associative lift values. For instance, we could see here with lift value of 4.5 correlating to Rule 763 of our prized cake and sandwich combo mentioned earlier, that as the lift increases, the likelihood of soup purchases also increases. If we positioned these products combinations in close proximity with each other, or marketed combination sale initiatives such as soup and salad or soup and sandwich discounted deals, we effectively support soup buying power through the nexus of purchasing trends we've already metricized. So aside from primary purchase initiatives through secondary and even tertiary purchases, our recommender system has allowed soup to become the star of our recommender show. And this concludes my presentation. Again, it was a pleasure presenting to you all, and I look forward to the continued learning experiences in data analytics. Thank you.